What is going on, Ecom Dominators? Cynthia here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using Printify. And for those of you who are new to the print-on-demand business, in a nutshell, print-on-demand is taking a design and putting it on various different products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and you can start selling them on day one without ever owning any inventory, without ever owning any printing equipment. All of that is done by a print-on-demand supplier, and that is where Printify comes in. They will help us print, pack, and ship out all of those orders without us ever touching any of these products. Printify is an all-in-one print-on-demand solution that have simplified the complex print and merch industry to allow sellers to create their own unique products, drive sales, and run their own business. They are a reliable supplier with competitive pricing. They now have over 250,000 store owners connected. They have over 250 plus products in their catalogs, and they have over 90 print providers worldwide. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your first product using Printify, and then I'm going to show you how you can run your first Facebook ad to drive traffic to make sales on your Shopify store. Also, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to have a bonus clip showing you the exact product. So we're going to take a look at the print quality, and we're also going to take a look at the shipment time. So from the time the order was placed till the time I actually received it. Also, if you love content just like this, don't forget to smash that like button and also stay subscribed to my channel for more content just like this. Alright guys, let's get into it. So how does Printify work? The first thing you want to do is create your own custom product where you can select from over 250 plus items from their catalog. You then want to take those products and sell it on other e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, and eBay, just to name a few. So once you get an order, Printify will take care of the fulfillment. They will print, pack, and ship out all of your orders to your customers without you ever having to touch any of the products. So right now I want to give you a preview on what I'll be going over in today's tutorial. So the first thing you want to come and do is take your design and place it on a t-shirt. Now what I like about Printify is that they not only help you generate the actual mock-up, they will also generate the mock-up on a model in which you can use it for your ads. Also, the exact t-shirt that I use in this tutorial is the Bella Canvas Women's Premium Tee. Now, these do start at $11.04, extremely competitive pricing. Also, if you upgrade to Printify's premium plan, you will be able to get this t-shirt printed for just $8.51. Also, another thing, I do recommend that you check out their Monster digital prints, extremely good quality. I will show you all of that at the end of this video. I'll also be showing you a second example with a different product on Printify. So we'll look at canvas wraps. So the process is pretty much very similar to t-shirts. You take a design and we're going to place it on the canvas. Again, with Printify, they will generate an amazing mock-up for you to use for your ads and allow your customers to actually visualize how your products will actually look like in their homes. So this is the exact product we're going to take a look at. Again, this is the Canvas Gallery Wraps. Starts at $9.78. If you upgrade to the Printify Premium plan, you can get this canvas printed for $7.53. So now let's jump right into the tutorial. Now for step number one is to register for a Shopify store. If you already have a Shopify store, that's great. If you haven't already, you can go ahead and register at shopify.teebootcamp.com. Again, you want to go to shopify.teebootcamp.com and you're going to click Start Free Trial. And then all you have to do is type in your email address, you type in a password and the name of your store, and then click Create Your Store. Now for step number two is to register for a Printify account at printify.teebootcamp.com. Now again, you can come on over to printify.teebootcamp.com to register. All you have to do is click Sign Up. Then you want to go ahead and enter in your email, your password, and then click I am not a robot, and then click Sign Up. So quickly, I want to go over Printify's pricing. So they have a few plans for you to select from. You can stick with the free plan, which starts at $0 per month. You can get it for free. You're allowed to connect up to 5 stores per account. Or you can go with the premium account. This will cost you $29 per month, but they'll let you link up 10 stores per account. But what I like most about the premium plan is you will get up to 20% discount on all products. So if there is something that you are selling a lot and that you want a cheaper base cost, you may want to consider investing in the premium plan. Also, there is an enterprise plan. You will just have to message them regarding the custom pricing. Now for step number 3 is to set up our billing information with Printify and connect to our Shopify store. And in order to edit your payment method, simply click this icon and then come under payments, and then you can enter in all of your payment information. This is how you will be charged every time you make a sale. Also, if you want to link up with your Shopify store, just simply click this drop down menu and click manage my store. They will now have a button here that says add new store. Simply click on it and select the e-commerce platform that you are with. So in this case, we are just going to go with Shopify, and we're going to click connect. In order to connect with your Shopify store, you're going to need to provide Printify with the URL link. So coming back to the Shopify store that I quickly created, I'm going to copy this link right up here, come back here to Printify and paste it in and click connect. Now the next thing is we're going to do step 4, 5, and 6 all together. We're going to first select our product, upload our design, and publish it to our Shopify store. And if you look under each of the products, take a look at the pricing. This one's $8.40. This one's about $7. Very, very cheap to get these t-shirts printed. For this example, we're going to look under women's clothing, and I want to go on down to the one that I want to use for today's tutorial, which is right over here. I really do recommend that you guys check out Monster Digital. They have extremely high quality printing. So I'm going to go ahead and select women's premium tee. I'm going to come down here and click start designing. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and add your design. You want to make sure your designs meet all of these requirements before you upload. Make sure it's in JPEG or PNG file. They have to have a maximum file size of 50 MB, and they have to have a recommended size of 3000 by 3600 pixels. So in order to upload your design, simply click on my device and you can upload it from your computer. So after you upload your design, you're able to select from the different types of colors. So over here, I want to select black as the main color t-shirt, and I'm going to click Save Product. Now Printify will automatically generate a few mockups for you, and you can go ahead and click Next. Now over here, you can actually edit the product title and product description. So over here, I can just type in what my product name is. So I'm going to say willing to change women's premium tee. I'm just going to leave my product description the same and click next. Now the next thing we need to figure out is how much to charge for each of our t-shirts. So you can edit that right over here. So usually for t-shirts, I like to charge around $24.99. Of course, you can test out the different pricing. So I can go ahead and edit all of the pricing for my t-shirts right over here. And after I am done, I can go ahead and click next. And the last step is to simply check this box that says publish product to my Shopify store, and I can click publish. So now we have successfully published our product to Shopify. You can select See in Store. Now I'm going to show you a second product example. So I'm going to come back here and click Add Product. Now for this one, I want to choose the canvas wrap. So I'm just going to come under Home and Living, and I'm going to select the canvas wraps. Again, with Printify, all you have to do is click Add Your Design. Make sure that your design meets all of these requirements before you upload. So I just uploaded my design. I'm going to click Save Product. Next. Now I'm going to type in the product title. I'm going to say Never Give Up. And then I can go ahead and click Next. So now I'm going to go ahead and edit the pricing. So for this one, I'm going to sell this for $29.99. I'm going to click Next. Last but not least, click Publish Product to my Shopify store and click Publish. Here's a preview on how the product actually looks like on the product page. As you can see, Printify provides us with tons of different mock-up copies that we can actually use them as ads. Let me look at the canvas wraps. Again, we only took a few minutes to create this. Printify makes it super simple and easy. Now, a lot of questions I always get is, Cynthia, I'm not good at creating ad copies, or how do I actually get an ad copy done? Now with Printify, because they generate so many beautiful mockups, you can actually just use the ones that Printify provides you with, and you can use that as your Facebook ad copy. So over here, I can actually use this mockup for my ad. So I'm just going to quickly backspace and click Save Image As, and I can save it onto my desktop. Now the next thing you want to do is come on over to your Facebook page so we can go ahead and create the ad. And if you don't know how to create your own Facebook page, I actually did a complete tutorial on this on my YouTube channel, so you can go back and watch it. But the first thing you want to come and do is go ahead and create the ad. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my own photo. So after I've uploaded the photo for my ad, I can now go ahead and edit the description. So I can say something along the lines of, need a dose of motivation, get this t-shirt here. And then I'm going to go back to my Shopify store, and I'm going to copy the link, come on back and paste it in. Now for the last part, I like to put in some sort of scarcity. So I can say, limited time only, get 15% off. And then I can go ahead and click share now. So after we have created the entire ad copy, we can come on over to Ads Manager, and then we can go ahead and create the actual ad. So the first thing what you want to do is go ahead and select your marketing objective. So if you're going to sell any physical products on Facebook, I do recommend that you start out with conversions. Then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here and edit the name of my campaign. So I'm just going to say T-shirt test, and then I'm going to click continue. So the next part is we need to select an event that we want Facebook to optimize our ads for. So in this case, you can go ahead and click on it, and they're going to give you several different options. So over here, I usually select purchase because I want Facebook to go out and find me people who are most likely going to purchase my product. And then I'm going to come down over here, and I can change my location, but whenever I test a new product, I always leave my location in the United States, and if I'm able to scale, I will then add in more countries as I go. Now for the age, I usually set the age at 20 and up, just to make sure they do have a credit card. Now for the gender, since the ad copy have a woman on it, I'm only selling it to women, so I can select that. Then I'm going to edit my targeting. So because I'm in the motivation niche, I can just type in, people who are interested in motivation. And then I always uncheck the detailed targeting expansion because I don't want Facebook to expand my targeting. So I'm going to come down here, and I always click manual placements because I always only want to test on Facebook's newsfeed. I don't want to test on any other platform. So I can go ahead and uncheck Messenger, uncheck Instagram, uncheck Audience Network. So I'm just going to make sure that I unchecked everything. Come down here and edit my budget. So for the budget, you can start out with $5 or $10 or however you like. So I just like to start off with $5 just to see if this will work, and I'm going to click continue. So the next thing what you want to do is to select the Facebook page that you want to run your ads to. So all you have to do is click down here if you have multiple fan pages, and then click your exact fan page. Now after that, what you want to do is come under use existing posts because we just created our ad copy on our page. So I'm going to go ahead and click under use existing posts. And then the next thing what we want to do is go ahead and select our post. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. So automatically this is the one that we just created. So I'm going to click continue. And as you guys can see, this looks super professional. This literally took us a few minutes to create. Again, with Printify, they've already given us the ad copy so we can use it. We don't actually have to go out and spend money to create the ad. So after you are done, you can go ahead and add in a call to action if you want to. So usually I will come on over here and I would select the ones that relates to what I'm trying to accomplish. So they have multiple different things. If you want to play a game, see menu, sign up, subscribe, whatever it is. But since we are selling a product, I always go with shop now. And I can enter in my URL. So I'm going to go back and grab my URL from my Shopify store. come back over here, paste in my URL, and then click update post. So as you can see right at the bottom of the post, you'll be able to see the shop now button right over here. So this is a good call to action to get people to click on this button to go to your store to purchase. So after you're done, you can come down over here and then click confirm. Facebook will review your ad. Once they approve it, they will start spending your budget. So quickly, I want to talk about the shipment time. So I actually placed a sample order for both the canvas and the t-shirt, and the order was actually placed on May the 20th. And for the canvas, it was actually delivered on Wednesday, June 3rd. And then the t-shirt was delivered on Tuesday, June 2nd. So around about 2 weeks. So as promised, right now I'm going to show you the actual print quality of both the t-shirt and the canvas. So let's jump on over. So right now I want to show you the exact t-shirt and design that we've created in our tutorial and how it actually looks like once it is printed. So this one is the Bella and canvas one, and I want you guys to take a nice look at how the quality came out in terms of the design. As you can see, the colors look extremely vibrant. This was printed using the monster print, which I really love. It looks exactly like my design. Now, prior to this video, I actually threw this t-shirt into the washer, and after one wash it still looks the same. None of the colors came off, and so I do really recommend that you guys check out the monster print with Printify. Now let's take a look at this canvas print. I really like how it turned out, and if you look at the background where the mountain is, it looks extremely HD. It does not look pixelated or choppy. The print came out exactly like my design, which I really love. Also, I'm going to turn it to the back so you can see how the back looks like. It looks amazing. Also, if you have not tested out Canvas for print on demand products, I do recommend that you guys test this out, because with canvases they have a higher perceived value, so a lot of people are willing to pay a premium for canvas prints. Also, with Printify's competitive pricing for these canvases, you can make a good profit margin with these, so I recommend that you guys test these out. So that's it for today's tutorial, and if you're interested in starting your own print on demand journey with Printify, then you can go ahead and register at printify.teebootcamp.com. Also, if you love content just like this, don't forget to smash that like button, and also stay subscribed to my channel for more content just like this. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Live free.